Well, good morning everybody. Down here checking out Miss Mooreland after all the snow and ice, and we have a couple broken tubs from the ice, but that's no big deal, they weren't full. But fixing some of that, rescued a bird from the tower. She did really well with the ice. She withstood a lot of that freeze and thaw for this winter. This week's video, it's kind of an older video. We already showed you the master bath, but this is a video of what it looked like before we got started when we cleaned it up, and how the beauty of it emerged. So that's what this week's video is, and I hope you enjoy it. Okay, this is the only full-size bath in Miss Mooreland. Of course, she's a mess in here, but she's kind of sketchy. If you look right up there, you can see that all that support along that wall is pretty much rotted out. And that stack is right there. I think that one's the vent. And the drywall is kind of holding that right up there. It does have some really cool tile. So we're going to try to work in here today, kind of clean it up. Really nice marble sink. The radiator. It's just not in great condition. And we'll bypass the potty. The sink is really cool. It is marble. And it's got all the decorative things on the back. And then it has a dressing table, makeup table right here in the corner, which is really cool. So, and then the decorative on the back of that door. So that's what our goal is kind of today, is to deal with this stuff.
Cleaning the toilet, Carrie?
Yeah. And a few other places.
I guess usually when you clean the toilet, it doesn't mean clean the outside of the toilet, really.
No. Just trying to get all the dirt, glittery.
Well, since it was 6 inches around there.
Yeah. That's
6 inches deep.
Yeah. I don't think I'm gonna get all of it, but
The flooring is starting to show.
yeah. Yeah.
I don't know if it's original.
I don't know either.
Looks like you're having fun though.
Oh, progress.
Nobody can tell for sure it's you though.
I know. Oh, I dropped my glasses.
And that's probably different than people think of when they clean out from under the vanity.
Yeah. The door is out there. I took the door out.
I saw it.
So.
Looks like you're having fun, baby.
Yeah. Progress. Progress.
And then you're gonna do a light cleaning of the shower.
Yeah, I like cleaning. I like cleaning.
It
Has a little bit of soap scum.
yeah, a little bit of scum has gotten into the bottom of the shower.
Yeah.
But hey, at least we know where it came from.
Yeah. Caught Frank in the shower. He's taken the doors off, make it a little bit easier for me to get all that stuff out of there.
Yeah, because it's a foot deep in here.
Yeah, literally. I got some of it out already. So, alrighty then. My glasses are fogging up.
That big screwdriver.
That one? There it goes. All right. Are you taking the other one off too?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right, let me get out of the way.
That didn't quite match anyway.
No. All right, let me tack that. All right.
Cleaning the shower, huh? Seems like after a while the mildew starts to build up a little bit.
Yeah, you could say that.
Would you say about a foot deep?
At least. At least, yeah. Okay, there it is, all kind of swept up for the first time. And we're not pulling any of the drywall that is still attached down at this point. We're just trying to get the debris off everything and everything. Trying to get it out from underneath it. Back there is kind of hard, but you can see we just got the foot full of debris out. It's falling from that point up there. So lots of water coming right there. But oh, now there's something pretty. Check out those. That's a kind of a shadow. There we go. Aren't those pretty? So we're going to attempt to save that. And then there's the sink. And the marble is just really pretty. And a better look at the floor. So, yeah. Much better than what was here. Okay, but those shower faucets, it's a nice little treasure find. So Miss Mooreland surprises us every day. All right then. We just swept in here. Hey everybody, thanks for stopping by Frank and Carrie's Adventures. We really enjoy making these videos and appreciate you joining us on our journey. So feel free to hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, feel free to share our videos, and make sure you hit the notification bell so you can know when a new video comes out. Until next time. Got some snow? Did I bring you some snow in? What do you think of that? What do you think of that? What do you think, Mia? You like the snow, Minnie? Mia's not quite sure what to think.